Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 11 Pro and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required and crucial in order to download something. And then let's enter the Play Store simply. And I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. So of course, if you've got the Google account currently added to this device, you do not have to log in again. Okay, battery saver. You do not have to do it again, but if you're not logged in, then just do it. Then let's tap on the circle, which is your account in the right upper corner, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then tap on Manage, and as you can see here, we've got the list of all currently installed apps which we've got on our device, and we can simply tap on Updates Available in order to check what we can update. I've got 35 apps to update. So basically, just find the app you'd like to update, or 2 apps, or 3 apps, or all. It's up to you, and mark it. So let me pick, for example, the Facebook, for example, the Google Chrome, and the, Google Photos. If you're done with marking, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and something happened. Something crashed, or it was just my mistake. Let me enter this section again. We will see. So something crashed probably. Okay, so I'll pick only Google Chrome. All right, and right now it is working. So as you can see, the device will simply download the update, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically applied to the app, so the app will be updated. So from this moment you do not really have to do anything more, just wait. So basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your Redmi Note 11 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.